This is the only recipe you need to make your perfect, yummy, delicious puff puff every single time. It's so easy to make. All you need is to follow everything in details and your puff puff will come out perfect. Let's get started. To your bowl, add 3 cups of flour. This 375 grams of flour. Half a cup of sugar, then add some powdered milk, 1/3 cup of powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, then half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix this all properly till very well combined. I'm going to leave the measurement of everything in the description box, both in grams and both in cups, so please do check it out. Just make a little well in the middle like this, and I'm going to add some water. This is warm water, not hot, just warm water. So this is 2 cups of water added, and I'll go ahead and mix this properly till very well combined. If your water is too hot, it might end up killing the yeast, and we don't want that. So make sure to use warm water or just a bit hot water to mix this. So go ahead and mix this till very well combined. This is a bit too thick, so I'll add a bit of water. I added 1/3 cup of water, and go ahead and keep mixing this. It might look like the water is too much, but trust me, this water is very much enough. This is how you want your puff puff batter to be. It should be really smooth, soft and stretchy, just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. I'll just cover it up tightly. You can use anything to cover it up, and I'm going to let this rest for about 45 minutes to an hour. Make sure to place it in a warm place to rise properly. I'm going to place this in my oven turned off because it's warm in there, and I'm going to let this rest. So it's been 45 minutes and this is what it looks like. It should really double in size or even triple in size. It should be bubbly like this, bouncy like this. I forgot to mention, make sure to use a very good yeast. If you have a good yeast, almost half your problem with puff puff is solved. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this on a bit, just for about a minute or two, just like this, and then I'll go ahead and fry. So you're going to need your hands for the next step. I'm going to show you how you're going to be scooping this into the oil. So this is my hands, very well washed hands, and this is how you're going to be scooping it, okay? Use this your thumb and the second finger and just press it down. I don't know how to explain this, but if you watch this closely, you'll get a hang of it. And if this is your first time making puff puff, the shapes might turn out really funny, but the more you do it, the better you get at it. I used to make really funny puff puff, but the more I did it, the better I got at it. So this is basically how you're going to be doing it, how you're going to be scooping it into the oil. So now it's time to fry. At this point, my oil is already heating up. Make sure your oil is hot enough. I'm just going to place a little in the oil. If it comes up within 10 seconds, I know that my oil is ready. And I'm going to go ahead and start frying. If you place your batter into the oil and it sinks, that means your oil is not hot enough. But if it takes about 5 to 10 seconds to come up the oil, that means that is the right temperature. But then if you place your batter in, your puff puff batter into the oil and immediately comes up the oil, that means your oil is too hot and it might end up being brown on the outside and raw on the inside. Some might get cooked while others are raw. So it's best to have the right temperature when frying your puff puff to end up with good, yummy, fluffy puff puff. Make sure to turn within intervals so that it fries evenly and beautifully, and when it's golden brown to your preference, you can go ahead and take it off the oil and strain it out completely. And that's it. Easy peasy, right? That's how to make yummy, delicious, soft puff puff every single time. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.